Hello, Facebook. This is James with Doing2Learn. Just giving a quick update on everything and kind of what we want to do with the YouTube channel, website, Facebook, social media, and everything. So basically some of the goals are going to be, I know I keep looking down, but I have a notebook down here with everything I want to say. Just set up a few goals, like a weekly live stream, be it on Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, YouTube. Probably won't do anything with Twitch for a while. I'm not 100% sure how that's going to work. Really using this to help improve my writing skills. So one thing is I'm not great at writing, not great at talking. So hopefully this will help me out with both. This will also be helping me do my web editing skills, my video editing skills, my audio editing skills. So this is kind of a all-around helpful setup with that. Cool thing is it's going to allow me to play with things like 3D printers, which hopefully tomorrow will go live on YouTube with a Prusa Mark II i3. Sorry, I say the original Prusa i3 Mark IIS 3D printer build. We were going to try and go live with that. Do a lot of project-based learning. Anytime I have a failure, I'm going to let you guys know. Be it through a blog post, through the live stream, which is going to be the best way to show off if I fail. Because failing is a big part of everything we do. And if we don't fail, how can we succeed? So yeah, some of the projects that I want to do include, building the 3D printer. That's a big project. That's going to help a lot with a lot of the other projects, including I want to take I have a Raspberry Pi 2, and I kind of want to take it, this little guy here, small little size. Comparison is, this is a 1 terabyte external hard drive from Western Digital. Give you a good size comparison, set them both right next to each other. This guy is an entire computer that is the size of a hard drive. I mean, come on. Can you get cooler than that? An entire computer right there. I have a couple different projects that I want to do with it. Number one is I want to build a wireless NAS with this. And what a NAS is a network attached storage device, for those who don't know. And as I build it, you get to watch. So that's something cool. I also want to take one of these, and they have a different version, which is a Raspberry Pi Zero, which is even smaller than this guy. We're talking stick of gum, maybe a little bit smaller than that. So yeah, it's small. So I want to take that and build what is known as a portable Raspberry Pi gaming console. So think of a Game Boy or a PSP. Kind of want to build one of those. So the 3D printer, which literally is right here in a box, still wrapped up, waiting to be put together. It will probably eventually be sitting back there on one of those two dressers, because unfortunately my office is also a catch-all room. Yeah, that's what happens when you have 3 kids. So yeah, I want to do kind of a PVC potato cannon that's not your normal size potato cannon, and do some 3D printed ammo. King of Random did a video on something like this that he partnered with Sonic Dad. They did a great job, except for one thing I hate about certain things like that is people do not take and show off the design of models. This is a wonderful little model. It is something I found on Thingiverse. If you look up modular storage rocket, it should pop up. But this is a 4-stage rocket where each piece has storage inside here. I mean, storage, and there went a whole bunch of storage. Each piece has storage, which is not really good fun, because those are all thumbtacks that are currently under my feet. I want to learn how to, I want to design my own 3D printer. And how I want to design it is kind of, think of a, for those who know about 3D printers, think of an Ultimaker, except I want to use a different mechanism. I want to have it a Bowden style feed. All the parts, major parts, I want 3D printed. The rails and everything that slides on those, I know I can't 3D print. So there's that. Also, another cool project is I want to build an FPV, which is a first-person view quadricopter, a racing quadricopter. Some people call them drones. I hate that term. There's a difference between a drone and a quadricopter. A drone can fly autonomously. 90% of your civilian vehicles or drones do not fly autonomously. So I may use the term drone, but that's just because everybody knows drone. Okay. I kind of want to do some smart home stuff, so I'm going to look for some products on Amazon. You can suggest some products on Amazon. Most of this is going to come out of my pocket and from Patreon support, so there will be a link for that somewhere. But I will never ask for money. I don't want money. Well, I do, but I don't. I want to build a Windows 10 gaming computer. Not just build it. We're going to get a motherboard, do the measurements, get a hard drive, do the measurements, bada bing, bada boom, and we're going to 3D print the case. Yeah, when I said most of the projects rely on the 3D printer, that is right there, that will eventually be back there. I wasn't lying. I want to build quite a lot of stuff. And a lot of things will build onto other things. So when I do say the portable Raspberry Pi gaming console, it's going to lead to other things that deal with the Raspberry Pi. So we may build that, and then take that and build a Raspberry Pi laptop. If I do the laptop, keyboard I'm probably going to use is this guy right here. Unfortunately, the lighting in my office isn't the best, but this is just a Logitech wireless keyboard. I really like it because it uses their Unify software and setup. So one device or one USB port plug can do like 7 devices. So there's that. Kind of want to do a few things. So if you have ideas for projects that might work, or if you have ideas for 3D prints that you want to see, shoot them my way. If you want to support me, link for Patreon will be on our page shortly. If you want to, yeah. If you want to give me ideas, post them here, post them on Twitter, Doing2Learn, and it's the number 2, not the word 2. So it's doing, number 2, learn on Twitter, facebook.com/doing2learn, and you can look us up on YouTube as, again, Doing2Learn. 3 separate words. Don't ask me. Okay. Thank you, and have a good one, guys.